Enable Wi-Fi Direct on a HP Color LaserJet Pro MFP M477fdw. On the printer's control panel, press the menu button. Navigate to and select the network option. Find and select Wi-Fi Direct from the network options. Navigate to the manual option. Note the details. Your printer's screen will display the SSID, the name of the Wi-Fi Direct network, and the password or PIN. On your Windows computer, click the network icon in the taskbar. Look for a Wi-Fi network name that begins with Direct, followed by your printer's model number, example DirectXXHP. Select the printer's network and click Connect. Enter the Wi-Fi Direct password shown on the printer's display when prompted. Once connected to the printer's network, go to your Windows control panel and open Devices and Printers. Click Add Printer and select your HP printer when it appears in the list. Follow the on-screen instructions to install any necessary drivers and complete the setup.